If you've decided to stop using Google AdSense, knowing how to close your payment profile and cancel your account properly is important. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step so you can close your AdSense account safely and completely. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to adsense.google.com. This is the official homepage where you can manage all aspects of your AdSense account, including your payment details and earnings. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Enter the Google account credentials associated with your AdSense account. It's crucial to sign in with the correct account, as only the linked profile can be closed. After logging in, you'll land on your AdSense dashboard where you can view performance metrics, alerts, and account summaries. Take a moment to review your dashboard so you're familiar with where everything is located. Now, look toward the top navigation bar and click on My Account. This section contains all settings and preferences related to your AdSense profile. Within this area, find and select payments and subscriptions. This will bring you to the page where you can view and manage all payment methods and subscriptions linked to your account. Next, click on Manage Payment Methods to see any active bank accounts or payment details associated with your profile. From here, select Subscriptions and Services. This section lists all services currently active under your Google account. It might take a few moments to load, but once it does, you'll be able to review each connected service. Carefully check that you're canceling the correct one, as removing the wrong service could affect other Google products you use. To proceed, locate the AdSense service, then choose the option to close payment profile. Follow the prompts provided by Google to confirm your decision. Once the process is complete, your payment profile will be closed and your AdSense account will be canceled. Keep in mind that this action is permanent. Once you close your account, all ad revenue will stop and you won't be able to recover your earnings or settings. Be sure to withdraw any remaining balance before completing the closure. By following these steps, you can confidently and securely close your Google AdSense payment profile and cancel your account without confusion. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step tutorials designed to make your digital journey easier and more efficient.